Welcome to the Wickershire Project Off-Grid. Third video of this series where we're planting and testing into those variations of soil. I'm going to go in and grab those beans and get those planted. Little naked seeds touch the dirty earth, so we'll get this part done. I'm supposed to do one variety, so I have to pick that. I'm going to run into the house and look them up on the computer. Each of the varieties I listed from yesterday, and I'm going to see what the plant structure looks like. Got a spoon for making the holes and whatnot. Mini shovel, right? Got our mini shovel here. For this series, I'm reading the comments section, and Shawnee's like, hey, "You're gonna show the seeds going into the dirt," and she's right. You know, that's part of the process. A lot of people like to see the soil being explained, the method being used, how you're labeling stuff, and the actual seed going into the dirt. And when we plant these beans, they'll be on the edge of the cup. This way you guys can see the roots growing down. We got peat moss. There's no nutrition in peat moss. I think they're gonna struggle. And then the forest soil. If this starts to decompose, it's gonna lock up nutrients. I think it's gonna struggle. Then we got the hummingbird. Hi. 2 hummingbirds. Seriously, yeah, Shawnee, like you haven't planted 10,000 seeds in your lifetime. You want me to put them in? I know what you're saying, right? And I left a comment. It was pretty funny. What did I say? I'm the, if I don't show it, right? If I don't show me planting the seeds inside the cups, I'm the planty-Christ. Thought that was funny. So there we go. Everything is labeled. So we're just going to plant them. I want to do both types. So we're going to use the burpee and the fairy morse. We're going to do both of those. Maybe 3, get them started. Yeah, I think we'll do 3, and then we'll separate them out, and we'll take a look at what they look like. All right, so let's get to planting. And again, we're going to put 2 or 3, I'm thinking 3 of each. It's a good thing to look through these seeds. We do have some damaged ones. Bean plants, I would say, throughout the year. Per family member, you want 2 plants per family member. 1 just to snack on and have, 2 for production, 3 to ensure a good crop per person. I'm not saying you can't do more. Maybe you have the freezer space, so you might want to plant a lot more than just that. So by 2014, it's 2025. These are 11-year-old seeds. Can you grow 11-year-old seeds? We're going to find out. I know some will come up, definitely. These are the Blue Lake. They're a 1/2 inch, and they're a much bigger seed. Just get the spray bottle. I gotta clean this off. I don't want to cross-contaminate. Let me go get the spray bottle. I'm going to have a lot of editing to do. Oh yeah, this is way much more easier to visualize. Look how that came out. That's what I'm that's what I'm liking. That's what you would expect as a professional. I am far from that. peat moss and forest soil is easy to work with. The clay and the heavy clay loam, sandy loam, heavy clay sandy loam, that is a nightmare. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. For this part, I will film for a few minutes and I'll get that done for you guys. And together we can watch things grow. Bush bean, Blue Lake 156. We have bush bean, Kitchen King, high yield. Day 1, seeds are planted. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next one.